Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Facebook app or website and sign into your account. Tap the hamburger menu or the profile icon to access settings and privacy. Select Settings, then Activity Log to see your interactions with content. Use the filter options to narrow to likes and reactions quickly. If you use desktop, click your profile, then Manage Posts and Activity Log. Keep your app updated to ensure filters and labels match these steps. Open Activity Log and choose Filters, then Categories, then Likes and Reactions. Next, choose Media and then pick Videos to show only liked videos. Use the search bar to type a creator name or keywords if needed for speed. Apply date range filters to limit results to a specific time period. On desktop, you can expand older entries by clicking Show More to reveal older liked videos. These steps will isolate only videos you reacted to or liked on Facebook. Tap any video entry to open it and review the post, comments, and reaction details. Tap the three dots on a video entry to save it to Saved or to remove the like or reaction. Saved videos go to your saved list accessible from the main menu or profile shortcuts. To remove a like, tap Unlike or remove reaction from the activity log entry directly. If you need offline access, use the Creators Share options or the official Facebook Watch download feature, where available.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.